All right, you guys, I'm back with another video. Blow another account, man. It's freaking hard, dude. I think I did. Yeah, I don't think I can enter another position because I already blew my account limit. Look, 1500. It is a no news Wednesday, only crude oil investments, but that's not anything particular. So going to the day, thought we were, I forgot how we were opening and going towards, but I see that we were in this previous day equilibrium, right? In Q, tapping this previous day equilibrium, made a low into that, and started going towards previous daily highs. So I guess my bias was kind of towards previous daily highs. So well, I was looking for open low, then towards previous daily highs, which did not happen. So here opening, I was thinking we was probably going to take out lower price action first, right? Then manipulate us higher. Yeah, so that's what happened. It did not. That's what happened. It did not even do that. I was pretty much bullish for the whole day. Well, I was trying to short basically to catch the manipulation move. So looking on the 4-hour, it wasn't not really much except this 4-hour gap that we still had from Friday. Target as a drawn liquidity target. I saw this 1-hour imbalance that we created on NQ. Yeah, we created this imbalance right here, and we were respected off of that twice. Get it? So we was pretty much very bullish. I was gonna see if we can take out some kind of liquidity lower to continue back up, to give us fuel to go back up, right? It did not, bro. Look, it left these London lows, Asian lows, and this freaking 4 lows, dude. 4 lows it left. That is just crazy to me. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically about 4. Yeah, actually about that did not even freaking barely even take out, dude. Like this candle did not even take it out, basically. It just created a low with it. Honestly, it literally just tapped into midnight opening. I just realized I had to use the restroom, like I think during this trade right here. Yeah, I had to go. Going to the day, it was looking pretty choppy. I think my biggest weakness right now is definitely choppiness, dude. That's the hardest, because like this is probably what the mentor said, but I have to be looking for whenever we're in the choppy conditions, I want to be looking for setups for internal swing highs and swing lows, session highs and lows, which was this London lows we were going to target, which we did not, because we freaking left 4 lows, man. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is like so rare to me, dude. So I actually entered 3 trades, yo. So the first one was off this inverse. I freaking called it whenever we was gonna get chopped here. Was it 3 minute? I think it was a 3 minute. So I entered off this inversion here. I lost about, so I entered here about the closing candle of that. Oh my god, a magnet. It's not really that good. Below the IFG. Mainly when you do inverses, you want to put out the swing low. But that's what happened. So I was targeting the highs of this again. Got stopped out immediately. I knew this 5 minute was still we still had this 5 minute gap still holding. So that's the reason why it rejected me. And I knew it was gonna happen freaking after seeing that, but it's just my second trade here. I took a also an L because I re-entered here because of this 5 minute gap we created after this. So basically after this inversion, I got as soon as I got stopped out, was it? Yeah, it was right here. It was right here. My second trade was right here. First trade was around here, literally right after I got stopped. So after seeing this huge impulse, like we got this 5 minute gap, right? So after seeing this 5 minute gap, get respected so freaking clean. Okay, for sure we have to go down, right? Freaking end up actually, and so I entered here, candle above this 5 minute gap. My break evens down here. My target is right toward it was actually London lows, and then my 1-to-1 was at freaking, pretty sure it was at midnight. I guess it did not even freaking, my 1-to-1 did not actually, I put 5 micros right here. I entered with 10 micros. I guess my 1-to-1 did not get triggered, so it took me out for a full loss. I was using the restroom, I couldn't hold it, so I was actually in it for a good minute, and it was looking pretty good. Like as soon as I saw this candle, I definitely should have freaking break even. After seeing this, it doesn't make sense for me to hold it, you know, because I'd rather just be break even, just take another setup. But I did not even do that later on anyway, so I mean, I could have avoided a loss though. Maybe look for a trade the next day. But yeah, that's what happened. My break even was here. As soon as I saw this candle, I should have definitely went to break even, took it out for a full loss basically. So basically around 700 or 800. I forgot, I don't know. Retested the 5 minute again, showed rejection for a little bit. Yeah, it's not. And then I see this candle, I'm like, oh. And then I saw a 5 minute SMT at the highs. Okay, I was like, okay, now for sure we're gonna freaking dump with the inversion. Was it 1 minute or 2 minute? I think it was 1 minute inversion. So I took a sell kind of late. Basically I only had like $500 of drawdown left, so I was cooked. So yep, there goes it. Liquidates me here, and that's my account, y'all. Is it my fault? Yeah, I would say probably like 3 of it's my fault. Definitely there's a chance that I could have saved myself from a loss. I'm just entering off impulsively. Maybe this wasn't so bad, but swept this to the left of us. Probably could have been better if we swept these left and created an SMT, and then that's a good entry. But look how we just like did not even take any fuel to go freaking higher. I mean, we did create an SMT earlier down here, but like that's the only fuel that it created to go higher. No, yeah, it was like around the 5 minute. Actually, it was down here. Yeah, that's it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'll be back. Yeah, I'm gonna be spending a lot of money on my sister's wedding, so probably won't be back till probably in 2 weeks. Man, I'm already 4 months in, man. It's not looking too good, but I'm just not gonna try to focus on the money and just focus on the process. Rick, dude. Dang, I was freaking recording, but my freaking Spotify was recording it too. All right, let's do this again. All right, so looking back at the trade, I think I was too tunnel vision on trying to look for the manipulation move. This could have been the manipulation move, the midnight opening. We tap into that. Actually, we created more equal lows with that, right? Yeah, I was too tunnel vision pretty much, I think, on the lower time frame, and just trying to look for shorts towards these draws and then continue higher. I was pretty much bullish. I said I was pretty much bullish. I guess I got too stuck in the lower time frame or something, and I don't think I was correlating it with ES. So I need to make sure I'm looking at ES and make sure it's showing bullish structure. Yeah, so seeing this 5 minute gets inverse, we're starting to make structure towards the upside, right? So I've clearly got faked out during the open during the past 30 minutes, and then we started to make structure towards the upside like this. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then we started to break above this pretty much swing high that we created earlier. So that is a market structure shift, and then we just started creating more higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. That's a lower low, but pretty much we was bullish after losing. Yeah, I was too focused on trying to look for shorts and trying to get these targets down here, but yeah, I got cooked. So just wanted to talk about that real quick. And also, since I won't be trading for 2 weeks, I'm thinking I'm probably going live. I would just rather sleep in and just like try to go in for work, but I do want to see some improvement in my trading, so I really got to start locking in live, even if it's on a demo account. So I won't be on a live account. No, not live account. Basically paper trading. I meant paper trading. Yeah, that's the difference. Demo trading and paper trading. So I'll be paper trading on freaking trading view. Yeah, but I don't know if I will do that or not, so I just heads up. So all right, see ya.